Okay, level 2 closing here on QQQ, October the 6th, with 24 minutes to go and the extra 15 minutes. Now we can see here the left side, right, with the buyers. Look how the volume over all of those orders is slightly higher. So then that's making the current price is 358.50. So the stock was beginning to come down a little bit, but now actually settling at this level. So let's wait for a bit on here to just observe the movement of the right hand side, the overall volume for all the bearish orders versus the left hand side, the overall volume for all the bullish orders. So right now the red side, it was slightly higher, price start coming down from that initial 358.50. So for us on here, this is something that we trade as of now. So we do have a tiny position, a lotto position out of here, the 357 put. Let's see if they can appreciate. So yeah, this is level 2 on Webull. I'm doing this from my desktop on here, so I will be posting this video on the article that I'm writing as of now, how to use level 2 market data on Webull. So price is coming down slightly, 358.20. And the slope, so the big one on here is, you see the slope, pretty much the side with the bigger slope, right? The higher slope is the one that's winning. That's a good way for you to know which side is winning on here. So it sometimes is really straightforward to see, like on the example that you will see in the article above this video. So 358.05, the sellers are slightly in control. 357.99, the sellers are still in control. Bulls are coming in now with a little bit of higher volume overall, but this is starting a bearish momentum on here. We're really hoping that this stock drop below 357 to cash out on our puts on here to close on here. With 20 minutes to go on the clock, the stock is trading at 358.12 now. So I'm just gonna let it roll and you look at the movement. Also, the other thing on here that I want you to stress on, that we talk in the article, is the speed of the movement, right? You will see the depth of the orders on here, but also how fast that it goes. So typically when there is a side with a momentum, these are really moving fast. Unlike maybe when there is no momentum, a stock is going sideways, you don't see that so much dynamic onto this view here on Webull. Okay, it's about neutral now. All the bulls are winning a little bit. So price has gone up a little bit, 358.20 now from 358 earlier. So there is equal number of buyers and sellers. So they're in installments on here. So let's see who can get the upper hand on here. We just want to make this video for you guys on how to use level 2 market data on Webull. So we pick you can determine the side that's winning by the total number of orders. So the bulls right now, that's volume on the left hand side. The green one is slightly higher, as you can see, right? The slope of that green line, if you will, it's slightly higher. And here the price is going up 338.40 now.